Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. Today I don't have a webcam because my webcam is being used for something else, and so we are going to have this without a webcam. So in this tutorial I'm going to work on this techno track, Strange Vibes, that I've been working on for the past 2 or 3 tutorials. I'm not sure, I think 2. Yeah, this is part 2, so this will be part 3. And what I'm going to do basically is just have a listen and probably work on the breakdown or the breakdown part, and try to find something to fit here this area. And that's it. Let's go and start listening to it and having a vibe of what could happen here in the breakdown area. So yeah. So this is the track. This will be the first part, and then we have here the drop. So let's listen to the drop. So this is the pre-breakdown and this is the post-breakdown. So I think this synth melody might be a little bit too loud. Okay, I prefer like that. We still have to add some transitions to try to make the track more interesting, so that is not a loop from start to finish. But yeah. So let's try to find some pad here. Usually pads work really well for this type of stuff because it gives a lot of, how can I say, it gives a very nice elongated sound, let's say. So let's see what is the root note that we are using. I think it's D sharp, okay. So this should be D sharp minor, only the black keys. So let's go and add a new pattern. So let's hit F4 and let's call this pad. Let's go, let's see what do I have here. Third party, let's go with the Expand 2. We also have some pads from FL Studio that we can try out, but let's see what we have here. Let's see action pads. Let's see this one. Let's start here in the middle somewhere. Let's go to pads and textures. I like that. But this one I want to double because I want to have this sound all the time, this wow all the time, and I also want to like that. Let's move this to track 17. I like this. Okay. But this time let's keep it also very low in terms of volume. Uh, 17, 18. And let's add a lot of reverb. I'm using this reverb, R reverb, has some really nice tones to it and presets. So let's go here, factory, let's go with walls, and let's choose a large wall. And let's keep it completely wet. I like that. Now let's see this stab. Okay, this sounds nice. Let's keep it like that. And let's see this shot. Nice. So these two, I like it. So let's see the transition. Some of these things that we have here, and we can start adding them. So let's see. Let's make this unique and let's start editing this thing here. So I don't want the strings now. Or the strings, actually the strings can start but with a lower volume. So let's do that. Let's go to the strings. Where are the strings here? And let's apply a gain plugin, so Parametric. And let's add some automation, create automation clip. We will have a lot of automation for that. So I think this is still too much. Let's remove this. Okay, I like that. Let's put this on the other ones. Actually, this one I don't want. Okay, I like that. Okay, here it's also duplicated. I could probably have done this better without doing that, but yeah. And let's copy this to this part here. Okay, I like that. It's increasing. And let's see how it sounds, everything. We can also probably add here some kind of low pass, start bringing this slowly, but for now I will keep it like that. But I like this. I like where this is going. Okay, so maybe the snare is too loud because there is no snare after, or I can add actually a snare. So let's go and F4, let's call this snare. Maybe this will help with the vibe of the track. Let's see. Okay, here we can add village 4 steps. Not village 4, let's put one here, village 8, and move this. One thing that we can do is try to put the snare a little bit further. Okay, so that it doesn't hit at the same time as the kick, and we can also mess around with the pitch. prefer it like that. Let's see. Not sure. Let's add some compression here to the snare. It's now complete, I would say. Of course, there is still a lot of work to do with it. So transitions and all that part, and make the track better. So I think there is a lot of stuff that can also be better. So if you have also recommendations, leave them in the comments below. And yeah, this I think it's in a good state. And yeah, let's see how it develops in the next tutorials. And if I have to rework probably some parts here, I don't know, this one here, not sure if this synth is actually the best one or if this transition will work. I have to see with other sounds. I have to add other type of sounds to make this more energetic or smooth from one to the other. Now it's a little bit rough. But again, we have to think a little bit ahead and see how it will sound in the future. So this is riser and snare, so that we don't block ourselves. So we have to try and go find solutions for the problems that we face here. But yeah, I think it's in a good position now, and now we just need to add some other sounds and some other, how can I say, some other transitions to make the track more interesting. And this is it, guys. I hope you enjoy. If you are new here to this channel, subscribe and activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider buying one of my products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium or exclusive member, and you'll have access to the full video where I show you pretty much everything and all my thoughts and everything. So I think this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.